We know from experience that mature quality systems and all what this includes, also the base, which is usually quality culture, is a real differentiator, differentiating top from low-performing plants. And now we can also demonstrate this with data. So if you're interested how to operationalize maturity of quality systems and then also see how this maturity is really related to plant performance, not only for quality KPIs, but also for overall plant performance, just join us in this session and discuss with us the implication this has for leadership, for a lot of other aspects, and look with us into the future, and looking forward to have you in our session.